Who takes a ski lift with a sled? I do. So this is my sled. This is my hill, and we're gonna try and make this happen. I'm gonna try and film the whole way down. We'll see how that turns out. And away we go. We are not gonna film all the way down. I'm frozen.